Okay, Land Rover Discovery fans, I went ahead and primed my roof, as you saw on the earlier video. Um, Basically, what the process is I went ahead and scuffed the roof with 400 grit sandpaper, and then I went and got a roller set up, just a cheap roller and some sponge brushes, and went ahead and sponged on the around the rails, which was a huge mistake with this Majic primer. Um, Basically, it left marks because I let it dry and I didn't want to let it dry. I accidentally let it dry, and what I needed to do was go over it with part of the roller to smooth it out. Now I have more sanding ahead of me, so that was definitely a mistake. I'm all new to this, so it's definitely a learning. It's definitely a learning experience. But I think I can go ahead and sand it out with 400 grit, and I'm gonna move up to an 800 grit scuff pad. I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse it for you. It's a lot of work, so enjoy.
All right, well, that wraps up another video. I went ahead and sanded the roof with 400 grit and scuffed it with 800 grit. That's about as good as it's gonna get for now. The weather started getting bad and I was working outside, so I had to kind of cut the day short. This is a long process. I'm gonna have to go back over the roof with 400 grit and find the spots that still have some uneven areas from when I painted it on with a sponge brush. But other than that, I'm happy with the results. I'm gonna go ahead and add another coat of clear coat. I'm sorry, another coat of primer. We're not doing clear coat. I wish I was, but I'm just gonna do just gonna do primer, and then we're gonna do the white coat, the final coat, high gloss Majic tractor paint, and that's pretty much it. You know, this is a project I think anyone can do. I've never done this before. This is just all new to me. So I mean, I'm probably doing a ton of things wrong. I don't care. This is just a project car. I wanted to make the roof way better than what it was. All the clear coat's gone. So that's going to be it for part 2, and then we're going to go ahead and you'll see the next step is I'm going to put some more primer on, and like I said before, primer, we do the whole process over again. There's a lot of sanding, a lot of wet sanding. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe, go ahead, thumbs up, like, all that jazz. I'm not a YouTuber, just working off my phone. This is what I got, this is what you get. So mostly unedited, gonna add a few things, but hey, good luck to y'all out there, and we'll see you next time.